G'day cobbers. Well, today is the day that I have decided to leave the Spiti Valley, to leave this beautiful area and just try to it's been a wonderful stay here. I've been here a bit over a week and explored all the little villages up on the hills up behind here, and it's really been a pleasant time. I love it here in the Spiti Valley. It's definitely put it on all of your guys. Oh, I think I'm going through puberty. Put it on all your guys travel list, because it is a really rare and special part of the world. Despite the fact that Kaza is changing and they're knocking down some old buildings, that isn't a reason at all not to come, because there's plenty of beautiful old villages, Tibetan villages, to go and explore. And Kaza in itself is a definite, it's a really nice place. It's a place to like base yourself for a few days, go and hire a motorbike or whatever like I did, go cruise around, go and spend a night in a village. There's plenty of homestays, and enjoy this part of the world. Like, it's just blows my mind that I'm here up in the high Himalayas on the border of Tibet. This is an area that I didn't know existed, and I'm really happy I do now. I've made some good friends here in the village, so it's a little bit bittersweet leaving, but other adventures await. So now I'm going to see if I can be as lucky as I was on the way here in hitchhiking a ride in a luxury Mahindra. So we'll see how this goes. I was speaking to someone like, how should I go? I said, well, you're tall, you've got slender legs. If I were you, I'd shave them and stick them out. I failed. I didn't do that. I didn't shave my legs. So anyway, it's only 500 kilometers to Manali that way, and I'll just I think I'll just wait here. Always hitchhike in an area that's easy for people to see you and easy for people to pull over and get you. All the time you see someone try to hitchhiking, they're half hidden behind a tree on a highway. Oh, no one's gonna stop, idiot. Well, it's happened. I was waiting for about half hour, no one came, and this truck's pulled up. He's going the whole way to Manali, which is about 8 hours of me sitting in the back of the truck. So I may really regret this later when we have to go. Like, the roads are pretty crazy, really bumpy, really bad, and I'm sitting on a steel tray, and we're going to go over the Kaza Pass, and so it's going to be freezing cold in the back here. But you know what, sometimes you just got to like grab these little experiences, and despite the fact that like you'll be grumbling about them at the time, later tonight when I'm in Manali, or when I'm back home in Australia, or whenever, in 10 years time, I'll always remember the time I jumped in the back of a truck to leave the Tibetan Enclave of Spiti Valley. All right guys, let's do this. There's the key monastery over there on the hill. The village of Tendu. Hello. Man, I got front row seats. That's fantastic. Well, half an hour in. Only another 7.5 to go. Hello. How are you? Now we got a real traffic jam. cow jam. There's some yaks in here. There's a little baby black yak. And look at this little dude. There's a yak, a little grey one. This sort of stuff, this is what I live for, eh? This is just things that I'll remember forever. I won't remember sitting at an office trying to write out the minutes of some stupid meeting that nothing's going to happen. No, this is what life is about. Riding the back of a truck through Tibet. Well, not quite Tibet. Close enough. Are we close enough? Yeah, we'll call it that. This is my commute. I can handle this kind of traffic. Yaks and cows. Look at these mountains up here. There's a little bridge to cross. And then we have to head all the way over there. Hello, sir. Hi. Bye. I think I'm going to dedicate this journey to my nephew Cody. Right on, Cody. What would your mummy and daddy say about Uncle Jakey riding in the back of a truck? Anyway, Cody, come along with me on this little journey. This is going to be fun. We'll do this one together, yeah? While you're sitting down, having brekkie or dinner, watching telly, just pop this on and go, yeah, I was riding with Uncle Jakey in the back of a truck through the mountains. I don't know if your mum would like that so much. Sorry, Sally Ann. See the road on that side over there. There's a car. Wow, look at this cool canyon we're going through. I dubbed this canyon Cody Canyon. Where does Cody Canyon go? Yeah, right up there. Working on a weekend, setting brand new times, yeah. Back at Kaza Pass, that's where I wanna be. Oh, listen out to the wind, babe. Listen out to the rain. Man, can you guys even believe where I am? Because I can't. I'm pretty sure we're up at the Kaza Pass. And look at this amphitheatre. Whoa! Like sometimes you just gotta pinch yourself. What the hell is going on? I'm riding in the back of a truck in the bloody Himalayas. Look at this. You gotta risk it to get the biscuit. This is a little life lesson, Cody. I'm sure your mum will not agree, but you've got to take risks. You've got to go out there. Life's an adventure. Get involved in the world. Look at this. Nuts. We are here at Kaza Pass. Whoa. We're going in for a little scenic tour. De Podreum, de Podreum. What a significant place. Look at this. How's that, guys? How is that? Downhill from here, and this road is pretty gnarly. I'm pretty happy to be in the back of the truck actually. I feel a lot safer. If anything happens, I'm bailing out. I'm not going down with this ship. Look at all these hairpin turns to get down. It's crazy. There's the old road on the other side over there. Clearly did not survive. Don't want to stuff up your passing maneuvers here. You end up down in the river. Further back there I saw a truck way down in the river. It's clearly come a mischief. It's had itself a mischief. Right, Cody, two things to take with you while adventurizing in the back of a truck in the Himalayas. Thing number one is a face buff for the dusty roads when you're in the back of a truck. That's essential. Write that down on your list. Essential item number two, chapstick. If it didn't have chapstick, your lips are just gonna be fried out here. So there's your two things. a merino neck buff and chapstick, and you're just good to go then. It's a standoff. Somebody do something. I'd say in this instance, my driver should be further to the left. But what do I know? We got 2 meters here. Sure, there's a cliff. Yeah, he's doing it. He must have heard me. He just need a little coaching through. You can do it, buddy. You can't. You're climbing a mountain. Dude, I could drive a truck through here. Oh wait, we are in a truck. Easy peasy, mate. Way squeezy. There's the old bridge and the new one. Well, that's it. We're still got a long way to go, but we are down from the Kaza Pass. So that's it's quite an achievement. Look at these dudes, happy chappies, wow. Well, looks like we're pulling in here to stop. I know this place, we know this place. So here we are. We've stopped for lunch. It's just after 12, and I'm in here with my driver and all my fellow adventurers. And we got like snazzy businessmen and people on motorbikes, and yeah, this lady here's working hard, cooking up all the noodles and rice for everybody. So yeah, if you're coming from the Manali end to go into the Spiti Valley, this is pretty much where you'll stop, either direction that you're heading, and yeah, grab a little bit of grub because it's still a long way to go. So guys, just had a funny little interaction. Stopped and had lunch at the place, and then came out, and the lovely driver, he started, so initially, I'll step back to when I first got into this truck. In the front seat was the luggage of the 2 passengers that are sitting in the back seat. And I thought it slightly odd that they didn't go, oh, let's just chuck the luggage in the back here. No, let's chuck the Australian in the back. And I enjoyed that. It's been a fantastic ride. But it struck me as a little bit odd that the option wasn't put out there. Anyway, at the lunch place, the driver was like, he started putting all the bags in the back, and he was like, you ride in the front with us now. And I was like, oh, you don't have to, you know, I'm happy in the back, it's all good. He's like, no, you ride in the back. We still have 6 hours to go on this bumpy road. We've done 3 already. And I was like, look, okay, I'll go with that, I don't want to argue. Anyway, I jumped in the front seat, gave a quick introduction to the 2 people in the back seat, who were, I guess, upper middle class, kind of Mumbai looking. They got out and refused to get back in unless I got out. So the driver had an argument with them. I was like, come on man, it's 6 hours in the back of a truck, give him a break. And they're like, no, we're not getting in that car. Well, the dirty Australians in there with us, thieves, the bunch of them, a lot of them, convicts, you know. So they refused to get in the car, so I just jumped out, and I've jumped back into the back again, and they got back into the back seat, happy as Larry. So I find that interesting. I don't really care, like, it's, to be honest, it's a hell of a lot more fun in the back here, but yeah, I'm not sure what goes through some people's minds though. Not everyone can be as friendly as my lovely driver. Anyway, it's a lovely view here. it, guys. That's where I walked out of a bit over a week ago. Straight up there. Came down through that little gully. Still looking up there. I can't believe that I walked over the mountains. And I can see this snowdrift that's sitting over here that I had to make my way across, and I can still see my steps in it. Look at that. That's where I walked across, coming out of those mountains. Up there, down here. Oh, look at all the goats down there. You can see it. See my steps going across it. Wow. Now I understand when I was halfway across it, people were stopped here yelling out, beeping the horn to me. And like, all the times you could distract me, now is not one of them. You know what else is great? It started pissing down with rain, and our friendly Mumbaians, we'll call them, demanded that their luggage got put onto the front seat, even though it was all wrapped up in a big yellow tarp that I'm kind of sitting on. They're like, nope, our luggage needs to come and sit on a seat, and the Australian needs to stay out in the rain. The hell is wrong with these people? God. Karma. Karma will get them. Perhaps karma's getting me. How cool is that? Well, lucky it's stopped raining, but still I have cast a curse upon the Mumbai couple, an ancient Himalayan curse upon them. Ice, ice, baby. Ding, 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 ding. Roadblock going here. They're trying to chuck rocks in up there, but there's a fair line of traffic. Oh well, it's a nice place to hang around. It looks like Norway. This snow is melting. It's kind of washing the road away a bit. Whoa, don't throw rocks at me, dude. Be careful. Yeah. So I'll wait for my guy. I'm about 6 cars down, I think.
गाड़ी બધું છે ખુલ્લા છે
You're capturing all of
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
नहीं जाती वो क्या
Hey, here comes my little ride. You got this. That's my guy. Yeah. Too easy. Alrighty. We're off again. Well, that was a fun little interlude. We're finally on a beautiful stretch of road. Look at this. Look at this hillside here. They've like leveled areas for farming. That just seems insane. Here we are coming through the little village of Kaza. Kaza, great. Well, now I'm not 100% sure of where I'm going, because I thought I was being this car was only going as far as Kaza, and I was going to have to thumb a ride from here. Well, maybe we still are. There's still a bit of the village here. So my journey is not over yet. Not by a long shot. Kaza's got a big military base. Kaza on patrol. Kaza on patrol. Alrighty, well, been dropped off on the side of the road. This here is a big is a tunnel, the Atoll Tunnel, which you have to go, well, underneath that mountain to get to the other side. But I don't have a ride to get there. So, Cody, what do? Do we panic? Nah, let's not panic. Let's get a, how you going? G'day. Let's oh, there's some lovely policemen over here. I'm sure they'll help out a travelling Aussie. Oh, I need to get on that side of the road and not get hit by a scooty. We're doing it. Okay. Isn't this exciting? Who's going to be my next ride? We're gonna have some legends. Am I gonna ride on the roof of a bus? Or an oil tanker? Who knows? Alrighty. Let's do it, Cody. Let's get that thumb out. Nah, not for this. I don't want a bus. They'll charge me. I'm cheap. We don't want that. Ah, here we go. Silver flash. What about you, silver flash? No? Hey, how we going? Hey, guys, don't just give me the thumbs up. Like I'm hitching, dude. Okay. Maybe they don't like the camera in their face. Let's do this secretively. Shh. Well, that didn't work. New tactic. I'm going to walk across the bridge where seems to be a lot of, I don't know if they're parked up or not. We'll get them while they're stationary and they can't say no. How do I get over this bridge? Okay, let's do it. That truck, I should be on the back of that. Okay. G'day legends, how are you? Doing well? Hey, look at this mustache. Look at that. He's got a great mustache, yeah? Where's the rest of your twinkle? That's it. Yeah, boy! Well, a couple of legends, but wow! But no ride. Close but no cigar. So we'll carry on. What could go wrong? Nothing. Well, I wonder if that's what that truck driver thought right after his oil tanker fell in the river. He's like, well man, I'll just drive close to the edge, what could go wrong? Hello. Hey. Okay. Alrighty. Well, I got a lift with a nice, he's a teacher. He's a nice guy and listens to some cool beats, and he's dropped me off somewhere and I'm not 100% sure where. So we'll just get through this and we're on our way. Well, yeah, let's not get run over. So I think I've got to head up this way to Old Manali. So let's see. Hey, how you going? Celebrity. Right on, mate. Right on. I know where I am. Old Manali's up that way. This is the big roundabout and the pedestrian mall is down to the left. Right. We're on. We're on. Let's see if I can get a tuk-tuk because I'm not walking. It's been a fun day. It's been a long day. A little bit sunburnt. But anyway, hope you had fun, Cody, coming along, getting from the Spiti Valley to here. And what did we learn? I think we learnt that you can rely on the kindness of strangers to get you a long way. And I've had a ripper of a time getting to Manali. It's been a travel day, but it's been a travel day like no other. So good times. Catch you guys later.